This is Ludwig's $1,000 keyboard.
I actually would never sell this.
His case is the Primus, with an original group buy price of $400. His keycaps are GMK Noel, with an original price of $135. But on the aftermarket, these are being sold for upwards of $350 to $600. And his switches are Glorious Pandas, making the cost around $60 to fill a 75%. So if we add up the original prices for the parts, the total comes out to a whopping $700. But due to the limited nature of the parts, aftermarket prices make this keyboard build valued at over $1,000.
It's too PogChamp.
So now you know that